In today's video, we are making this oilless okra soup. Trust me, this was very delicious and everyone fell in love with it. Trust me, yeah. So if today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes and my name is Lena. If you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. You don't take money, okay? So let me take you straight to my garden so that we can get some ayoyo, jute leaves, adéme, anyhow you will call this, okay? We are just going to harvest some and then I will take you back to the kitchen for us to prepare our soup. Thank you once again for clicking on this video. So now we are done harvesting everything, okay? I'll be bringing you how to clean your ayoyo very well, okay? But with this video I will do it behind camera. Now I have the fish I'll be using. You see, I've cleaned it very well. Please do well to watch how I clean my fish. You will love it. I've added my salt. I will then go ahead, allow this to be in the salt water for some few minutes, maybe 40 minutes. Then after that, I am just going to strain the water from it, okay? So after 40 minutes, I have strained the water from it and this is how it looks. I'm just going to arrange it on my kitchen rack and then put it in the oven. Whilst it is in the oven, let's get into other business, okay? So now the ayoyo is here and as I told you earlier, I'll wash it behind camera, okay? But before I will cut the ayoyo or the adéme, I will arrange it like how you are seeing on the screen. That is why I cut it that way, or I harvested it that way, or you can as well remove it one by one, okay? But I prefer with this way and it makes the cutting very easy as well, okay? I enjoyed that part as well. It is so good. So this is how I'm going to arrange it, just like how you arrange your contombre or any other green leaves before you cut them. That is how I arrange my ayoyo before I cut them as well. So you can use your knife to cut it, but I prefer using my scissors in today's video. Like I said earlier, I'm going to eat that part as well. It is so good, okay? So with that part, you make sure you cut it small so that it can cook very well. But with ayoyo, you can decide not to even cut it. It will cook perfectly and it will taste so good. So we are done cutting the ayoyo. I will set it aside and then I have my crabs on fire. I've added some cow skin. I added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and then place it on fire for some time. This is how it looks. I added some crab seasoning and now let's get right back to our okra. I've added some water to it. I'll make sure I wash it very well before I cut it. I prefer cutting my okra than to blend it. I have never blended it before. I don't remember, but I don't like it that way, okay? So even if the okra is plenty, I'm gonna sit on my my ass and then cut everything. That is how I like it, and trust me, it is so good. So do it the way you like it, okay? It is so good when you prepare the food the way you like it, okay? Now we are done cutting everything. I have the okra on fire. I will just add some more water to it and then let it be on fire. Then after it has been on fire for like a minute, I will decide whether to pound it with my tapoli or with my ladle, okay? Yeah, so it has been on fire for just 2 minutes and this is how it looks. You can see that it looks so good and I did not pound it, okay? So if you want it slimy, you can just go ahead and add some baking soda to the okra. I will advise you to add the baking soda instead of the akanwa or kanwa. Okay, yes, I mean the baking soda is medicinal. So after that, after the 2 minutes, I poured my okra to the proteins on fire, and then I'm going to stir it. The ayoyo is plenty, but I want to add everything here. Okay, I mean if the ayoyo is plenty, the soup tastes so good. Yes, so I'm just going to add the ayoyo to this bit by bit, stir it, then add it again, as I said earlier, bit by bit. Okay, so I am able to add all the ayoyo or the adéme. So please stay with me. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Ezebeden Mommy's Recipes. To every responsible father watching me, happy Father's Day to you. Okay, and a special one to my husband and my dad. Yes, may God bless responsible fathers. Yes, we love you all, and thank you so much. So I realized that the okra was too slimy, so I covered it for some few minutes, and I think now this is how it looks. I will just go ahead and give it a stir. Okay, with this okra, I should be sincere to you, it was so nice but very slimy, which I did not like. Yeah, I did not like. But at the end it got finished within 3 days. Yes, we like okra. Yes. So now I've added the other proteins. Okay, the one we grilled or we smoked. I'll go ahead and add everything or any amount that can enter there, and then wait for some few minutes, add any seasoning of my choice, and then we are good to go. But I did not add any seasoning because I had enough on the crab and then the wole. Also, remember our smoked fish was seasoned with salt. Yes, that is why I did not add anything again. So this soup, like I said, was very nice, delicious, but it was very slimy. So I did not like it very much compared to when it is not slimy. Okay, our soup is ready, and just look at that, very healthy, delicious. And please do not forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube short for your short videos. Thank you so much. Until I come your way next time, take good care of yourself, eat healthy, love yourself first. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.